Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is embroidery for fashion and style. Embroidery is widely used in clothing design. It adds elegance and beauty to outfits. Simple embroidery can make a plain dresses look stylish. Heavy embroidery is used in bridal and formal wear. Many designers use embroidery in modern fashion. You can see embroidery on kurta, dresses, blouses, jackets. Different styles of embroidery are always popular. Hand embroidery, machine embroidery, thread work, mirror work. Each styles give a different look. Embroidery is a mix of traditional and modern fashion. That is why it is always in trend. Embroidery home decoration ideas. Embroidery can make your home look elegant. You can use embroidery on cushions, cover, table runners, wall hanging curtains. Even small embroidery design can change the look of a room. All embroidery give a soft and fresh look. Geometric design give a modern style and difference. Friends, embroidery style. Embroidery is not just stitching on fabric. Every stitch and placed carefully is taken time to complete a design. That is why embroidery feels special. It is not fast work, it is slow and peaceful art. And friends, it reminds us of handmade magic and simple beauty. That is the real magic of embroidery. I hope you enjoy this embroidery design ideas. If you love handmade crafts, then stay connected with my channel. I will bring more crochet ideas, dye fashion design, home decoration crafts. Please like, share and subscribe. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.